If your brand feels awkward, it's not your logo. It's because you don't know what you stand for yet. So the first thing is awkward brands try to copy. Most brands feel awkward because you can immediately tell that they're borrowing from someone else's voice. Meaning, if you are creating a brand and the brand that you're creating is inspired by another brand, and instead of you trusting your capabilities and your creativity, everything that you create is just going to be a copy of them, and it's not going to be authentically you. So number two, consistency comes after clarity. People think that consistency fixes branding. Not really. Clarity is going to come first and allow you to be more consistent, because clarity and then consistency is as if the two, not is as if, the two work in sync. It makes everything flow that much better. And number three, taste is developed, not downloaded. You're going to develop your taste over time. You're not going to download it, just like you have a specific taste for the food you like, the clothes you wear. It was developed over time. And you can't shortcut taste with trends, because trends, just like the weather, they come and go. And number four, practice in private, publish in public. There have been countless, and I know will continue to be countless items that I create that it's just me practicing. And because I know that my audience, that y'all don't need perfection, you need honesty. And that is the same thing with your brand. And last but not least, number five, why this matters long term. Brands that last are built from process, not polish. So a great example, I will say, let me make sure this is still recording. It is one of the giant retailers that we all know is Walmart. Their brand has lasted because their process has been flawless, and it continues to be. Whether you like going there or you don't, you already know what the process is going to be from the beginning. When you pull into the parking lot, getting a shopping cart, getting into the store, walking around, you know what the process is going to be. You already know what the process is going to be to check out. And the process is what they have mastered. And I want to say thank you all so much for watching the video, and also thank you to those of you who have subscribed. My name is Dooley. I'm enjoying seeing everything continue to grow here with the channel, and more than anything, I hope this new year has been going so well for you, and I hope that it continues to. New products will be up on my Etsy shop, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and all the links are in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.